Semiconductor memory is a digital electronic semiconductor device used for digital data storage, such as a computer memory. It typically refers to MOS memory, where data is stored within a metal oxide semiconductor or MOS memory cells on a silicon integrated circuit memory chip. After that, most types of semiconductor memory or various types of semiconductor memory have the property of random access, which means that it takes the same amount of time to access any memory location. So data can be efficient accessed in any random order. In a semiconductor memory chip, each bit of binary data is stored in a tiny circuit called a memory cells consisting of one to several transistors. The memory cells are laid out in rectangular arrays on the surface of the chip. The 1-bit memory cells are grouped in a small units called word width, are accessed together as a single memory address. Memory is manufactured in word length that is usually a power of 2, typically n equals to 1 to 4 or 8 bits. Types of semiconductor memory. First, volatile memory. It's stored data when the power of the memory chip is turned off. However, it can be faster and less expensive than non-volatile memory. This type is used for the main memory in most computers since data is stored on the hard disk while the computer is off. Major types of RAM, DRAM, HDRAM, random access memory, dynamic random access memory. A second, non-volatile memory. Non-volatile memory or NVM preserves the data stored in it during periods when the power of the chip is turned off. Therefore, it is used for the memory in portable device which don't have disk and for removable memory card among their uses. Example: ROM, MROM, EPROM. Full form of EPROM: erasable programmable read-only memory. Thanks for watching.